Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a blues comb. I heartily recommend that you already know how to do a comb, and if you're wanting to see all the comb stuff and work out all the different relations between them, there is a video we've already done that has all of that stuff in, and I'll stick a link in the description below in case you want to find the whole set. But this is how to do the blues comb. And it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simple as that. So it looks like it's going to be a standard normal comb. We go back, we do a return. Now normally for a comb it would go straight over the guy and we'd be done. But what we've got to do as a fella in the right to right is we turn left, we're making a loop, but we come around to the outsides of that one. That loop we would normally go through the middle. We're actually coming around and going through it from the other side. So we go all the way down onto the back of the neck, and the guys are going to back up, rotating to the right, which causes the lady to slide, and we can actually then go down to the hand. So let's think numbers. And there's lots of ways to style this, and just like any comb, there's lots of ways out of it. So you could do all kinds of different variations on the way out. We're just giving you the standard movement away. So we go back 1, return 2, there's your normal loop, but we've got to go 3 to come through from the other side, and then down to the hand on 4. So let's do it together and try it to account. Here we go. 5, 6, a blues comb. We go a back, return, comb, and away. Simple as that. So just think of a blues comb as being a normal comb where you've gone through the loop not from the normal side but from the other side. That means of course every version of a comb you already know there is a blues version of, so that's double the number of combs, you know, just like that. And that's it for this time. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and there is a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.